right, y'all. He back again. My big brother back again. Let's go. We got this one this time. Get that ass down, boy. Look at him. Oh, you won it. What's going on, YouTube? This your boy, Most Incredible, back with an incredible video. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Do y'all see this beauty? Y'all won't believe what it is. Let me show y'all. All right, let me turn my fan down. All right, today, y'all, I got my homeboy Elite SRT1 here to get some underglow lights. As y'all can see, they're on, but I didn't run it the way I would run mine. He wanted them a different way. So I said, all right, cool, let's do it like that. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. So what we did was that we went to the trunk, and the piece behind the battery, he went up under it and popped it out. I wish I was there to see it. So what he did, he pushed up on it, and it popped out. So this is another good way of you hiding your wires. If you don't want to do like I did with mine, like put them in the front, you also can hide your wires by putting them in your trunk and run your wires, run your positive to your battery, and your negative to your negative on your battery. And that's how you get it light up. This is something quick, short video, because we ought to run the wires. The same way how I did my wires, you just run your wires backwards. The same way how I ran my wires on Yoshi is the same way how you would run your wires, but it'll be backwards. You run them back up, you run them back to your trunk piece. And like I said, you push that piece up. Once you push that piece up, it'll be something better, because you won't have to buy the plastic piece that I just posted a video about. You want to buy this, which was 50 bucks from off Amazon. You wanted to buy that. You wanted to buy nothing, because you would have your trunk pieces hiding everything, hiding all your wires and stuff. So on that note, short, quick, simple video. Do not do it like, well, you could do it like how I did it if you want to, or you could do it like this too as well. You can hide your wires in the trunk. So this your boy Incredible, and I'm out.